All right, welcome again to Moniebook. Okay, if you're very new to Moniebook and you just logged into your profile and you're wondering what is this icon here, this is my register staff pin. What is it used for? Where can I use it? Okay, this short video will show you how you make use of that. This particular staff pin, you just use it to make sales in the register. And you use it to authorize some certain privileges like canceling of item, canceling of sales, permitting a staff to do something you don't want them to do. So this is the pin that you'll be using to permit them. Right. So this video, let's just walk through on how you can make use of this video. First thing first is once you log into your dashboard, you'll be able to see it if you click on show pin. Then the only place you'll be making use of it is in the register. All right, this icon here, I believe by now, if you have one, maybe the desktop on or the Android on or the POS on, whichever one that you lay your hand on, just open it. Once you open it, okay, I'm already signed in, but I will sign out so that you can see the dashboard. Yeah, this is the way it will appear. So that's your pin. Here is where you enter it. Just click on it directly on the screen. Once you get it correctly, you will be taken to the register dashboard from where you will now select items to sell to customers. All right, that is how you make use of your staff pin. Simply you go to the